We have a Fadal vertical machining center model VMC 3016 FXMP HT. Machine is new in 2008 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Fadal MP CNC control. What's the RPM right now? 1500 RPM. Machine goes up to 10,000. We're stopping. 3,500 RPM. Machine is nice and quiet. This is a BOXWAYS machine. That's 5,500 RPM. So again, the machine does go up to 10,000. It has a 21 tool capacity, 20 ATC, Cat 40 tools. A 3016 machine has 30 inches of X travel, 16 inches of Y, and 20 inches of Z. 39 by 16 table working surface, T-slotted table. That's your Z axis. Your X. And your Y. So you've heard the X, Y, and Z axes are all quiet. You've seen a simulated tool change, and you've heard the machine up to 5,500 RPM. Hey, thank you for watching our video.